Hi everyone, welcome to the Entrepreneurship Course Template Shell. I'm going to be showing you how to make a very brief introductory video using the Clips application software. And this is a very easy way to share videos with your students and to do it quickly without a lot of editing. Students tend to love these videos. I don't know if it's because they are so short or because I can include my animals in the videos. I wanted to show you how to actually record that video using Clips on your iPhone. It's a pretty simple process. You just go to your home screen, that's where I am now. You click on the Clips icon and there I am. And you record simply by holding down the pink button. You can also slide it up. You can add the closed caption feature like I have right here. You can choose many different varieties of closed caption and it automatically adds them. I always like to include videos of my silky chickens for my students. They seem to like to watch the chickens roaming around the yard, and the cat also does. Taylor buddy, say hi to the students. Say hi to the students. Nope. So I invite you all to try Clips. It's a very, very easy system to use. Take care.